Force ready, force ready.
Yeah, we need to go. We need to play circuit. We told them we would. We're behind schedule.
Oh no.
1. Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
Ram, that brawl.
Baptiste,
Lucio.
Is that Tim? Did we see Tim? Did we see the other DPS?
I don't know.
It
Tap,
was.
just be watching. Don't DPS, don't hold tap.
No.
Ready?
They're gonna force point.
Pass it. We're up.
We drop normally.
Okay. Bring Mark's egg.
Rocks.
Rocked. I'm just shooting safe. I'm Ram.
Bap off.
I'm going high.
Bap one.
I'm always gonna try and force their bap off of that. Oh, when Angela actually damage boost you.
I saw you jumping, so I just
reset high. Gargamel.
Fall normally and backup are two different combos. I think that's huge.
I'm glad everyone understood.
Yeah.
Blink.
Well, I just saw you.
It helps when you just do it immediately.
They're pushing us.
What's
You ready to fight? We can brawl. We can just
Rocks.
We're not gonna lose.
Nice. Cat's going left. Ram one.
You ready for cast left? Oh, Gogurt, don't meet.
Ram one still.
Wait, I'm pushing. Cause
Be ready to kill out. Just let her 6 push. I like this.
Oh fuck.
I'm on back.
I'm on bad.
Damn, he wants your. They want you, bro.
Headshot.
Oh, we're just so fucking bad.
What? So do not go left.
Well, if Cass is flanking, we need to keep shooting. But that time when you were meeting the split, that's good.
Not gonna lie, I feel so confident whenever I play Sig, bro. Even when we lost that Sanctuary game, I just feel so confident.
Yeah, I really like your Sig.
Ram low.
Are they gonna try the same thing?
Yeah, they're hitting the now.
Oh,
Wait, I have dragons.
Yeah, hit it.
Ram. Just ram. Nice.
You can hit the resin.
Tracer low.
I'm the god of noob. Fucking flex support.
Ethan.
I'm the god of flex support. I'm actually.
That shield is questionable.
Mine.
You should have just rocked his ass. Rocked his world.
This shield to the left.
The one where you put it behind the cast.
They're fighting. They want it. I'm gonna window if they go long, okay? Wait, Hanzo, if they go this way, I'm gonna fall. I'm gonna window here, you swallow.
No.
Ready. No.
Don't parry on window. Oh shit, wait.
Big.
Oh my.
Fucking big.
My first
All on fire.
I'm flanking.
Yeah. We need to. I wanted to put that in our playbook. That shit is OP. If they're on Ram and they use any shield ever, that shit is. They actually can't do anything.
When do you want Bob?
I was gonna say I rock form and we window, but this time I think they're gonna run up here and rammel. They're gonna run.
Maybe.
If they run up here and rammel,
Yeah, be ready to bob anchor. Do you see the?
Safe storm, Mook. If they run up here and rammel,
I'm gonna rammel.
Wait.
Do you want me to bob? Do you want me to bob in that room?
No, it's a bad angle.
No?
Drop now.
All on fire.
No lamp. They've done.
I'm ulting.
Yeah, we use everything.
It's main.
I'm shooting ram low. Oh my.
Oh wait, my bad.
Boost dead. Oh my god, Gogurt kills everything.
Ram, cast one.
I just got a kill.
Get another, Ange. Get another. Nice.
Sorry.
Alright, no Ramel, no window, beats, no pulse.
Running a mercy. Do
they beat?
I don't know.
No.
No. They use beat.
Okay, only. They have nothing. 0.
We also have 0, which is good. Jesus.
That's a touch.
Yeah, that is a good fucking round.
That should not happen ever.
I want that fall window.
Wait, look at their tracer stats.
Yeah.
Wait, what was your plan? What was the window plan that you did?
If they shield us up, they don't have they don't have DM or something. They don't have a second tank. So what Hanzo and I did, we fell down and we just fired into that room with window, and they just.
Because I have storm arrows one shot, right? Like.
They 2-tap.
Well, I was damage boosting also.
Yeah, you were damage boosted, and I'm on fucking Baptiste. I don't miss those angles.
What am I on?
But I've seen Baptiste miss that shit. I
Yo,
want that in
how do you feel about...
That's super powerful. I see teams do that all the time.
How do we feel about learning some new comps here against these guys? Because
I low-key, I want to try running a Widow here And yeah.
I mean, I can apply pressure down main if you want to go left.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. No, I'm gonna go right side.
Rigger's in.
Yeah, I'll do that. I'll do that.
Surely, surely
So what are
Brig,
we
right?
running?
I want you to try break.
I think I'm guessing that you're running Tracer.
Yeah, you're on
Just
Tracer.
run on Winston.
Low-key? No, that's stupid. I don't know why I was gonna say that.
Low key,
I
we
wanna
should
hear
run
it.
Pharah? Pharah Sombra?
No, not far in this comp. Not far in this comp. I was gonna say Sombra, but Tracer's just better, I think.
Can we have
And no-
Yo, my stats are fucked.
Well, I was gonna say the Mercy actually won us that point, bro. The res
Yeah,
was
true.
crazy. And
Also,
the damage
without a Mercy, I don't kill their touch.
I think damage boost.
Yeah, that was a nice shot.
I really think we should start applying Ash versus the other comps. We have two very, very talented hit scans.
Keep in sight. I'll have us
Don't
in and
add time
out
for
in
them.
no time.
Yeah, well,
No,
we're also
I
not
wanted
ready.
time. I wasn't ready. I wasn't ready. Right, I'm ready now. I'm ready.
Let's think in the future. Maybe we can try it on circuit too, but I don't know.
Wait, supports are going bottom left all the way.
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, circuit, we can just do what
No,
we
Big
want.
nade, big nade.
Capture objective.
I'm spotting main.
I'm in A.
I don't see them.
It's a ping. It's a ping.
Ash.
Ash, Hanzo. Dude, what am I doing?
Body
They drop up
shot.
high. They drop up high. They're really far back.
Oh, they are.
They're playing safe. They're playing safe.
So, Mook, what I want to do, I want you to go round bigger. Yeah,
Okay.
go full round. Go loop around the
Yeah,
entire
yeah,
way
yeah.
behind them. Right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna jump
There's
onto
a
their
mega
high.
I'm gonna go for a
I'm ready,
jump
I'm ready.
shot. So
You ready? I'm going onto their high.
Stand up. Hello there.
We're shielded.
Are you ready, Mook? Are you ready?
Yes.
I'm going on Ash.
Oh,
Hands on now.
We're fighting. We're fighting.
Okay.
Nodding off.
Sing a time. Oh, they play like that.
hello, body shot. Body shot.
Shielded. I'm trying.
Laurie still won.
Wait, Mook. 3, 2, 1. I'm in.
Take a
I'm
I'm in.
I need care. I'm
Alright,
focused on
good
you guys.
call.
I need
Good call.
care.
Good call. Huh?
Laurie, what the fuck?
What the hell? You
I need
okay?
help. I need help, Coast. I need help.
Yeah.
Top. Point.
Hostile.
Yo, Ange, I tried to shoot you twice, but I hit the BAP twice.
Oh yeah, shit. I forget this.
I was
I forget
really
that
trying to
you
hit
play
you
ball.
instead.
أنا ما حدش يقدر علي.
Wait,
I was
Ash,
hiding
he's trying to split. Can we go?
Yeah. Wait.
Okay.
here.
Ping.
Okay, I'm okay. I'll get
One.
part.
Nice.
Huge call. I love that from you, Mook.
I'm set up. I'm gonna go for nade. You guys go early again. They're gonna
Okay,
come.
wait.
You have nano too
I'm
to make a
looking
play
for it,
if you need.
Oh my
shot.
god. I'm nading BAP naded. No.
Enemy in sight.
Headshot tank. Headshot
I don't
tank.
see him.
Headshot tank.
Nice.
Oh my
Holy fuck.
god. We're just so mean with this.
Wait. Nice
Yeah.
call, Harry.
أهلا.
No way you get
Hello
that.
there.
That too. No way.
Keep going.
Do you want me to come on point?
You
And
see where I am?
Wait, this
See
is
where I
the
am?
No.
My people.
Okay.
okay.
They have no dive.
I'm
Wait,
ready.
I'm gonna go for sneaky.
Set up here.
They have cast now. Cast ram.
Keep an eye out.
Sneaky pulse on the.
Cast is that.
on the
No.
Lucio,
Don't
right?
pulse. Don't pulse if we don't
Okay,
need to. But that cast is the target. They're coming behind us, I think.
I want them to
hits.
see my bullets, Gargar.
You must like having me around.
Oh, I'm 1v1ing the Tracer.
I primer.
He's
I
no,
primer.
no, no.
I can nade you. Oh,
Back, please.
Yep.
ooh, I'm
You can drop point if you need.
stupid. I'm okay.
Okay.
They're chasing
I'm
me.
waiting on crew. Crew behind you.
I'm
Still
going
pushing,
point. I'm
still
going
pushing.
point. I'm going point.
3 point.
3 point. Gargar. Come here. Oh my god.
Wait, I'm switching brawl. Okay.
Okay, I'm keeping
okay.
that now. Wait, Loki, go Reinhardt.
Enemy dropped here. The Eye of Horus watches over you.
Yo.
No one can hide from
On
my
them.
sight.
Nice.
The Gargamel's on fire.
Fucking crumbling.
I'm in A.
I'm here. We hit some aggro shit.
ازيك؟
Ram crumbles under Nano Ryan.
What else? Yeet.
Wait,
No?
Carrie,
Beat
you're not far
Nano,
out.
beat Ramo for sure.
Hello there.
Alright, we don't use ults this fight. Let them use ults.
Okay.
Or
I
let them
did
use
not
ults
mean to go
first.
on
We
this
can lose the
side.
Ryan fight.
I did not mean to go on that side.
Keep fighting. Eyes on a
Yeah, we're
target.
just
I got a bit overzealous.
We're getting distance. Overheated.
That might be on me.
Unless they completely whiff, then I do Nano.
No, can we?
No, move. We're planning to lose this fight. We're planning to lose this fight, I think.
Yeah, but we have to force
I'm
all
here.
this.
I'm here.
Or 5 again.
I'm
Good,
fine
good,
to do
good.
that.
أنا ما
I'm back.
حدش
I'm back.
يقدر علي.
But,
Reset.
I still find to win this.
Yeah, I'm running.
They have superior
Oh yeah, Harry.
Oh,
Wait,
yeah,
you might
you
be.
got this, bro.
The payload.
Oh, my
You're
team
the
play.
best on in the world on your fucking pocket.
They have Ram B.
I've got you.
Wait, we can force through that with that
Thank God.
Oh,
Helen.
He's still one.
You scream for it, I give it to you.
I'll rally when they ram home.
No. Just
Get in there.
Naded.
Is they it?
I'm chasing Cass with you.
Is they it?
he's one.
Back low.
Enemy in sight.
Can we put 3, please?
Over there.
What?
Yeah.
Nice. If we stay 3, I actually think we just win.
I have high noon. I'm just gonna high noon when I.
Yo, can you get off so I can hit a shatter? Can you get off so I hit a shatter? Oh, it's fine.
Going for
I
dart,
can
going
hit
for
this guy.
dart.
Do not.
Nice shatter.
No one
Fucking dominant.
Thanks.
Fucking dominant.
Nice. I enjoyed that.
Bro.